Crash Course on Data Visualization, DV, for Business Analytics using Tableau or PowerBI. Sure, I'd be happy to give you a crash course on data visualization for business analytics using Tableau or PowerBI. Data visualization, DV, is the graphical representation of data and information. It is the process of taking raw data and turning it into a visual representation that is easy to understand and analyze. In today's world, data is king, and being able to make sense of that data is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions. This is where data visualization tools like Tableau and PowerBI come in. Tableau is a popular DV tool used in the business analytics field. It allows users to connect, visualize, and share data in a simple and intuitive way. PowerBI, on the other hand, is a Microsoft business analytics service that provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface that is easy to use for end users. Here are the top 12 Tableau data visualization charts for business analytics. 1. Line charts. Line charts are great for showing trends over time, making them perfect for analyzing data with time-based dimensions. They can display continuous data and are particularly useful for tracking changes in sales, stock prices, or website traffic over time. 2. Bar charts. Bar charts are simple but effective and can be used to compare values across different categories. They can show both discrete and continuous data, making them useful for visualizing a range of business metrics. 3. Stack bar charts. Stack bar charts are similar to regular bar charts, but they show the contribution of each category to the whole. They're particularly useful for showing the distribution of data across different segments or groups. 4. Scatter plots. Scatter plots are used to identify trends and relationships between two variables. They're particularly useful for identifying correlations between variables and for visualizing patterns in data that might not be obvious from other chart types. 5. Heat maps. Heat maps are a type of chart that uses color to represent data values. They're useful for visualizing large datasets and for highlighting patterns in data that might be difficult to see in other chart types. 6. Tree maps. Tree maps are hierarchical charts that use nested rectangles to represent data. They're useful for displaying data with multiple levels of detail and for highlighting the relative size of different data points within a dataset. 7. Geographic maps. Geographic maps use data points on a map to display information about a specific location or region. They're particularly useful for visualizing sales or demographic data across different regions or countries. 8. Bullet charts. Bullet charts are a type of bar chart that displays multiple measures in a single chart. They're useful for displaying progress towards a goal or target, and they can be used to show comparisons between different groups. 9. Waterfall charts. Waterfall charts are a type of bar chart that shows how an initial value is affected by a series of positive and negative values. They're useful for showing changes in profit, cash flow, or inventory over time. 10. Box plots. Box plots are a type of chart that displays the distribution of data based on quartiles. They're useful for showing the variability of data and for identifying outliers in a dataset. 11. Pie charts. Pie charts are useful for showing the distribution of data across different categories. They're simple to understand and can be used to compare the relative size of different data points. 12. Funnel charts. Funnel charts are used to display the progression of data through different stages of a process. They're useful for analyzing sales or marketing data and for identifying areas where improvements can be made. These are just some of the many types of data visualization charts available in Tableau. The key to effective data visualization is choosing the right chart type to represent your data in a clear and concise way. Data visualization is a crucial part of business analytics. By using DV tools like Tableau or PowerBI, businesses can turn complex data into meaningful insights that help them make informed decisions. With these tools, businesses can gain a competitive advantage and stay ahead of the curve. In summary, data visualization is an essential part of business analytics, and Tableau and PowerBI are two of the most popular DV tools used in the field. These tools provide businesses with an intuitive and user-friendly interface to turn raw data into meaningful insights that drive informed decisions. By using these tools, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and succeed in today's data-driven world. And now, as promised, here is a poem and a song on data visualization for business analytics. Data points scattered far and wide. In raw form, they're hard to abide. But with Tableau or PowerBI, we can make sense of data, my oh my. Visualizations that are clear and bright. Show us patterns in plain sight. Insights into customer behavior. Helping us make decisions with major flavor. Bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts galore. Options to choose from, never a bore. Trends and correlations, we can see them all. With data visualization, we stand tall. Here's a song about data visualization using Tableau. Verse 1. With Tableau, you can see your data in a way that's easy to understand, to analyze. You can uncover the hidden lies. Chorus. Data visualization, it's the key to unlock insights that you need. With Tableau, it's so easy to see your data in a whole new way, oh baby. Verse 2. With drag and drop, you can create charts, graphs, and maps that are great. For business analytics, it's a must to make decisions that you can trust. Chorus. Data visualization, it's the key to unlock insights that you need. With Tableau, it's so easy to see your data in a whole new way, oh baby. Bridge. You can create dashboards that are clean and tell a story that's so serene. With Tableau, you can make it happen. Your data can come alive, oh captain. Chorus. Data visualization, it's the key to unlock insights that you need. With Tableau, it's so easy to see your data in a whole new way, oh baby. Outro. So if you want to make an impact with your data, don't be slack. Use Tableau and you'll succeed in creating insights that you need. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Tableau has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.